here's the easiest way to adjust your Panhard bar. Now, what you want is you want that axle centered in the car. And with a double adjustable Panhard bar, you can actually move it back and forth. You really don't move the axle. You move the car on top of the axle. So the easiest way to do it is to get like a great big long carpenter square. And I take and I'll put this up against, the lip of the fender. And then I'll get it, see the fender's over here. I'll get it, or over here, either way. I'll get it so it's level. And then I'll take and I'll measure the distance between the level and the tire. And check one side and then check the other side. And if one side has more distance, then you want to shift the axle the other way. So let's say the passenger side has less distance than the driver's side, and you want to lengthen the Panhard bar and shift it. So keep doing that back and forth until you get the measurement on both sides the same. And also, it has to be on the ground at ride height, or like on blocks or something, because you can't do it when it's up in the air. It has to be at the regular ride height you're running at. So that's the other way to do it, which is I'm not quite as fond of, because you have to wait for it to stop moving. But you can take a piece of string and tie a bolt or some washers onto it, tape it to the fender, let it hang down, and use that to measure. Either way is fine, but you want to just work it until you get that car the same distance from the edge of the car to the tires on both sides.